Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to do Excel chapter 6 hands-on exercise assessment scholarship dinner. This is the sixth chapter of Excel section of my IT Lab course. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do your assignment, if you want me to do your complete course, just contact me on WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID that I have mentioned in the description of this video. You can hire me for your complete course as well, like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all programming and writing assignment as well. So I will do this assignment step by step. I will solve each and every step in this video. You can get your assignment done if you will watch this video. Please don't miss any step. Just watch this complete video and you will get this assignment done by watching this video. Let's move to our instruction file and start this assignment. So title of the assignment is Exp19 Excel chapter 6 hands-on exercise assessment scholarship dinner. So first step of the assignment is to download this Excel sheet where we are supposed to apply all these steps, and we will get this assignment done by applying the steps in this Excel file. So this is Excel file where we will apply all these steps. So we will directly move to step number 2. So step number 2 is create range name based on the left column in the range. First we are supposed to assign the range name to the range A4 up to B9. Let me show you. This is A4 and this is B9, and we are supposed to assign the range name to these one. After that, we will assign the range name to range A20 up to B20. So A20 is here, and after that we are supposed to assign the range name to B30. That is this one. So we will start from here. That is from B4 up to B9. So first one should be ticket slash sold. So we will type here this name and we will type a underscore here. So tickets underscore sold. After typing this, we will simply click enter. So this name has been assigned to, sorry, I assigned the name to wrong position. So I will type ticket underscore sold here. So I have assigned the ticket underscore sold to B4. Now I will type the ticket underscore price to cell B5. So I will type ticket underscore to cell B5. So we will type a equal underscore sign here. So I have typed this one. After this we will type cost underscore per and underscore meal to cell B6. So like this we will complete all of the range name. So we will type cost underscore per and underscore meal. So after typing this, press enter. So we have typed the name to this one as well. After this we will type the name to this one, and this one will be guest using wallet, and the next one will be the wallet cost per. So I will type the guest using wallet to this one. So I will type the of guest using valid to this one, and we will type underscore after each single word. So press enter, and the next one is the valid cost per car. So we will type here valid underscore cost and underscore per underscore car. So after typing this, press enter, and the last one is cost per chair setup. So now we will copy this and we will paste in cell B9 here, and we will type the underscore again after each and every single word. After typing each and every single word, we will type this one underscore. So press enter. So I have assigned the name range to the range A4 up to B9. After this, we are supposed to move to the next range, that is B20. This is the B20, and B20 should be total underscore income. So we will type this here, total underscore income, and we will press enter. So next one is B30. So B30 should be, so we will type total underscore expenses in cell B30, and we will press enter. So we have assigned the name range to all of these, and we will move to a next step, that is step number 3. In step number 3, it is saying that added the name range of guest using valid to guest using valid. So we will simply copy this one. So basically we are doing step number 3. We will go to the range and now click on the formula tab and click on the name manager. So we are supposed to edit this of guest using valid. We will edit this. We will make it to guest using valid. Click OK, and then close this one. Close this one. So that is our step number 3. And now we are supposed to move to next step, that is step number. In step number 4, it is saying that enter a formula in cell B25 using the name range. So we will use the name range to enter the formula in cell B25 to calculate the projected cost of the catering. The cost of the catering is the cost per meal multiply the total number of tickets sold. So we will use the name range to enter the formula to calculate the so let's go to B25, sorry, B27, and we are supposed to use the formula is cost per meal. So we will click on the cost per meal, this one. We will multiply this by the total number of the tickets sold. So ticket sold is this one. So we will get the result. We got this one, and after that we will move to next step, and next step is step number 4. Step number 5. In step number 5, it is saying that enter a formula in cell B28 using the name range to calculate the total cost for the room setup. So basically we are supposed to enter a formula in cell B28, that will be the total sold, ticket sold, multiply the cost per chair setup. So we are going to step number 28 now, to set 28 now, and in set 28 we are supposed to enter a formula to calculate the table chair setup, that will be the ticket sold. So this is the ticket sold, we will multiply this by the cost per chair setup, this one, and we will get the result. We got the result, and after that we will move to our next thing, that is step number 5, sorry, step number 6. In step number 6, it is saying that enter a formula in cell B29 using the name range to calculate the total valid expenses. So now we are supposed to enter a formula in cell B29 using the name range to calculate the total valid expenses. The total valid expenses can be calculated by multiplying the ticket sold, multiplying the total guest using valid, multiplying the valid cost per car. When we will multiply these three things, so when we will multiply these three things, then we are going to get the total valid expenses. Let's move to cell B29. So this is cell B29 and we are supposed to enter a formula here. So first one is ticket sold. So we will go to the ticket sold. This is the ticket sold. Multiply this by the total guest using the wallet. So total guest using the wallet. So total guest using the wallet is guest using the wallet, this one. Guest using the wallet, this one, and multiply this by the wallet cost per car. So we will multiply this wallet car per cost, this one. So we will get the result, that is 4,000. So we are done with this one, and now we will move to our next step, that is step number 7. So in step number 7, it is saying that use a function to total all the expenses in cell B30. So now we are supposed to sum all of the expenses in B30. Let's do this step now. So we will move to step B30 and we will use the sum function that will sum from cell B23 up to B29. So then we are going to get the total expenses. So we will sum this one, this range. So when we will sum this range, we will get the total expenses. So we got the total expenses in cell B31. So B30, sorry. So that is step number 7, and now we will move to next step, that is step number 8. In step number 8, it is saying that enter a formula in cell C32 to calculate the remaining balance, and remaining balance will be total income minus total expenses. So we will go to cell C32. This is cell C32, and we are supposed to calculate the balance here, and balance will be total income. This is the total income minus the total expenses. So this is the total expenses, and we got the value here. So we got the total expenses here. So we have done 8 steps for this assignment, and now we are going to do step number 9. So in step number 9, it is saying that enter a series of substitution values in the range E5 up to E20. We are supposed to enter a series, and this series will start from 50 and an increment of 5 and it will stop at 125. So first we will go to E5. Let me go to cell E5 and we will type the 50 here because series is starting from 50. And now we will go to the home tab and we will click on the series to complete this series. So we will select the column because series will go down to the column and step value is given here. So step value is 5 and it will end at 125. So step value should be 5 and it should end at 125. So we have completed the series. That is all about step number 9. Now we will move to next step. That is step number 10. So in step number 10, it is saying that enter references to total income, total expenses, and the balance in the correct location. So we are supposed to enter the reference to total income in F4, total expenses in G4, and the balance in H4. For one variable data table, use range name where indicated. So first we will go to F4. So this is F4, and we are supposed to enter a reference to total income. So we will type equal sign and we will go to the total income, this one. Click enter. So we got the total income. Then we are supposed to type the reference to the total expenses in cell G4. So we will go to G4, put an equal sign and total expenses is this one. Click on it and click enter. So total expenses are there. So now in cell H4, we will type the reference to the balance, this one. So we will type equal sign and our balance is this one. Use range name where indicated. So we are done with step number 10. So after completing the 10 steps, I have completed 10 steps. I have shown you step by step how you can complete these steps. We will move to a next thing, that is step number 11. So in step number 11, it is saying that complete the one variable data table in the range E4 up to H20. So we will complete the one variable data table using this range and we will use cell B5 as the column input and then format the result with the comma style. So first we will select this range. So I will select the range here. So this range has been selected. After selecting the range, we will go to the data tab here. After going to the data tab, just go to what if analysis, this one, and click on the data table. So we are supposed to use cell B5 as the column input cell. So we will select the B5 as the column input cell, click OK. So we got the result for the table and now it is saying that format the result with comma style. So format these result, these are the result. Format these as a comma style. Now we will move to our next step, that is step number 12. Type price in cell E4 and apply custom number format to make the formula references appear as descriptive column heading. So in F4 total income, in G4 total expenses, in H2 balance. So first we will type price in cell E4. So this is E4 and we will type price here. After that, in F4 total income, this is F4 and we are supposed to use the total income here. We will click on the number format. After clicking on the number format, click custom and remove this channel, put inverted commas and type total income and close the inverted commas and click OK. So total income is there now. After that, in G4 total expenses. So we will go to G4, this one. Again number format. After going to number format, select custom from here and in inverted commas we will type total expenses and click OK. So it will show total expenses now. So after that, in H2 balance, basically it should be H4 but it is showing H2. We will go to the number format, custom, and again we will type the balance in the inverted commas. It will show the balance now. So we are done with, so it will show balance. So we will type, so our step number 12 is completed now. So let's move to step number 13. In step number 13, it is saying that copy the range E5, E20 and paste in the range J5, J20. So basically we are supposed to copy the substitution value. We have inserted in the range E5 up to E20 and we will paste it in cell J5 up to J20. So first we will select this. So this is E5, we are supposed to select from E5 to and click copy, and now we are supposed to paste the values here. So we have pasted the values here. That is step number 13. And now we will move to our next step, that is step number 14. So in step number 14, it is saying that type 400 in cell K4, complete the series of substitution values from 400 to 525 in increment of 25. So first we will go to K4. This is K4, we are supposed to type 400. Then we will go to home tab and we will click the series. Now we are supposed to, so it should be a row, increment should be 25 and it should end on 525. So we have completed the series here. You can see this one. So we have completed the series. Now our step number 14 is done and we will do step number 15 now. Enter the reference to balance formula in the correct location for two variable data table. So now we are supposed to enter the reference to the balance in the correct location for the two variable data table. So we will go here and we will enter a reference to the balance. So balance is this one. This is the balance. We will click on this cell. It should be equal to C32. So because balance is in C32, So it should be equal to C32. After that, we will move to our next step, that is step number 16 now. In step number 16, it is saying that complete the two variable data table in the range J4 up to B20. Use B4 as the row input cell and B5 as the column input cell. So basically we are supposed to complete the two variable data table in step 16. So first we will select this range. We will first select this range here. So this range has been selected. After selecting the range, we will go to the data tab. And after going to data tab, we will go to the what if analysis and we will click on the data table. So our row input is given and column input is given. We will put these values here. So B5 is column input and B4 is the row input. So we will type B4 here because it is row input and B5 is the column input. So we got the table here. Then after this, it is saying that format the result with the comma style formatting. So these are the result and we are supposed to format them as a comma style. So that is all about step number 16. So I have shown you 16 steps out of 20 steps. Basically, I have done complete assignment for you. I did each and every step in this assignment. I solved each and every step in this assignment. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, just contact me on WhatsApp, email or WeChat ID and I will do this assignment for you. You can hire me for your complete course as well and I will do this complete course for you. So I can give you an overview of 4 to 5 remaining steps so that you can complete those steps as well. So this is the final form of the assignment after applying all these steps. So we will get this one. This will be our report that we are getting in the remaining steps by loading the solver and setting the constraint for the solver, and we will get an answer report. So I have done this assignment for many times for many students. So if you want me to do this for you, I can do this assignment for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video and comments to my video as well. Thank you so much as well. Thank you so much.